Hi, welcome to the Windows Server training free course. And today in day 6, I'm going to show you how to create new account in Windows Server 2016 and 2019. Yes, of course, you can apply the same way for two versions of the Windows Server. Okay, so now let's get started. And this is the version of Windows Server I'm using. And current version is Windows Server 2016 Datacenter. Okay, so now here you click on the start button, and click on the setting. In the Windows setting, you click on account option here. So here it will navigate you to the setting for the account on the PC. On the left panel, we have three options: Show information, sign in option, and other people. You go ahead to click on other people here. So here in the other people, we have add someone else to this PC. Okay, I go ahead to click on this plus button. Okay, it will open the local user and group pop up here. Okay, so here you go ahead to click on user. Here, by default, after we install the Windows Server, we have three accounts: administrator, default account, and guest account. Guest account here. By default, the default account and guest account is disabled. And click on group. So there are a lot of the group created after you install the Windows Server on the PC. Okay, so here we have a group of user. User are prevented from making accident, blah blah here, and we have some another group for guests here. So now here I will go ahead to create a new account, and after that I will add it to the guest group. Okay, I right click on user, or even click on the space here. Select a new user. Okay, and after that I have to provide the username. I will name it is Chiến Guest. Full name Chiến Vũ Guest. Okay, testing account. And the password. So the password, you have to provide the password with the complexity to fit with the policy of the Windows Server. If you enter the password with an easy way to guess, so you cannot create the password for this account. Okay. So here we have another option is user must change password at the next log on. That means after the user that means the first login to the system, user have to change the password for the account. Okay, so here I will disable this one. User cannot change password never expire. Okay, so here I will click on create button. Close this one, and here after that you can see the Chiến Guest account has been added to the user group. Okay, cool. So here I go ahead to right click on this one and select the property. Yes, so here there are a lot of tabs here which will be contain some of the configuration for this account. You click on member of button tab. Sorry. Okay, by default after the user the account is created, it will add this account into the user group. Okay, so here if I remove this one, I will going to add this account into another group. Okay, I click on advanced button here. I click on file now. Okay, and here I will scroll down this one. I will add this account to the guest group. Okay. Here. Okay button. I see this one. Double click here. So when you double click or open the guest in group, you can see here how many members will be added into this group. So here we have 2 accounts, Chiến guest and guest by default. Okay, cool. So now here I will close this one and close this one, and I will try to sign off this one, sign out this one. Yeah. So now here I will click on the Control and delete here. So you see here we have another account in Chiến Vũ guest here. I go ahead to select this one, and after that I provide the password for this. Hopefully we can get into the Windows server. Yeah. So here after you enter the correct password, the window will start to create new data for the account. Okay, cool. And you see here you are able to log into the Windows server by using the new account. Okay, cool. Very good. Good. I will open the command line cmd here. So you can see here the user is Chiến guest. Okay. Open my computer and document this one don't have, and local user here. So here the new user profile Chiến guest has been created for my account. Okay, cool. So now here I will try to disable this one. Sign on. Sign out, and Control and delete. I back to the admin account. Yes. So now here I go ahead to disable this account, and we'll try to log in it again after I disable this. Setting, account, other people, change account type. We can change account from the standard to an admin account. Okay, click on this one, open user and Chiến guest. Right click on this one, property, and I will select account disable. Okay, so now close this one, and I will sign out this account, and after that try to log into the new account. Yeah, so you can see here the new account cannot display here because it is already disabled. After the account is disabled, it cannot list out here in the list of users able to access to the Windows server. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to create a new account in Windows Server 2016, 2019, or you also know how to set the policy and do some password, change password for that account. Okay, bye bye and see you later.